So I wanted to capture this because I saw that it was deleted. I'm not sure if this thread is also gone, but the other one is gone. Just to keep things fair, I wanted to capture this because I don't know if it's going to disappear as soon as I exit out of this. So there's that. There's more, I think, behind the scenes here that I'd like to catch, but I'm not sure again if it's going to, uh, if any of this conversation is going to be gone. I'm trying to save it anyway, so that I can save everything that I have access to as of right now. So yeah, TLP deleted the second thread. He claimed, he or she, TLP claimed that it was a duplicate thread, and that's false. That's not true. It was not the same topic. One post was addressing a legal entity, and one was addressing a separate business entity. It was not the same topic. And they were, although they were not related. They were separate issues, separate topics, separate issues to discuss. And here we have, you obviously don't want any help to resolve the matter, which is obviously also not true. Why would I go to a news organization to post my experiences with the criminal entities and corrupt police organizations and rotten attorneys in Thailand if I didn't want some form of resolution? That's the entire reason for my entering Tiger News and posting these videos. So I'm actively working on what he claims I have no interest in resolving. So he's this TLP is very mistaken on basically in almost every single one of his interactions with me. And he or she is claiming that I never responded to. There was never any discussion. I never received any form of communication regarding the matter at hand, the issue of rotten attorneys or criminal visa peddlers. And here I'm attempting communication to unwind his or her incorrect conclusions that they are acting on, and right. My posts are questions for Thai legal protection in the sense that in the sense that it's a legal matter. Well, in the sense that it's a criminal matter, and also inappropriate conduct by attorneys, which I believe other legal entities would have an interest in. So, did I directly address this entity in the form of a question? No. I guess no. Not the first posts anyway. This is the first question that I posed to them, specifically to TLP. Would you like to address the issue of visa criminals? And they did not reply to that question. And here he's saying, he or she is saying, you keep pressing the issue. So now he or she is going to take action against my will because I am, quote here, pressing the issue, meaning communicating with them. If this isn't akin to being berated by an attorney, then then I would accept that I'm wrong. But this, in my experience, in my understanding of the English language and of human nature and human interaction, this is akin to being berated. This could meet the threshold of being berated, depending on their frame of mind and things that are covered up in online communication. But it's a reasonable characterization of their conduct, TLP's conduct. And so, yeah, I believe that he's wrong. He or she is wrong here. His or her section is not the place for this post. It clearly is. It's under the banner of legal issues. That's the forum. Legal issues. This is a legal issue. All of these are legal. Both of my posts were could be put under the banner of a legal issue. And I'm trying to be civil here, giving him or her some much needed advice that I'm sure went right over their head. So I'm attempting to save all of this, because at any point in time, this thing here, TLP, can edit or delete or move my posts without my will, without me acting on it. So got to keep everybody accountable. This is exactly what needs to be shown to people. People need to understand the level of disregard and incivility of attorneys. Here you go. So everything that I posted on the Tiger News forum here, it was in this Thai legal discussions section, because it was the most accurate to it was the most accurate banner under which to post my legal discussions, um, and legal matters as it related to uh, Visa Express Bangkok, the business, as well as the attorneys and law firms that I interacted with. Two separate issues, two separate talking points, two separate subjects. One was related to Visa Express Bangkok, specifically visa criminals generally, and the other thread was specifically attributable to attorneys, bad attorneys, inappropriate behavior by the legal system in Thailand. So everything that I posted was under Thai legal discussions. And here there is a post by Pine Tree supplementing my assertion that Thai legal protection did not direct message me or private message me asking how I can resolve my issues with the attorneys and Visa Express Bangkok, like Thai legal protection had claimed. Somewhere in these threads, he or she is claiming that I also offered my help. That's not true. There is no offer of help by Thai law here, or it used to be Thai legal protection, TLP, Thai legal protection. Yeah, so he's he or she, he or she is lying. And here we have more evidence. There is no direct message from. There's no offer of help by Thai legal protection. I'll say that again because there never was. They just misdirected and abused their privilege as a moderator to censor my news posts. So I was still new to, and I still am new to this forum. So I didn't know how to directly reply to the to the to the various posts. So I guess I duplicated these, but to be clear, his or her Thai legal protection's assertion that that my threads were duplicates is incorrect. They were very separate issues. One was specifically regarding a legal firm by the name of Anglo-Thai Legal, and my correspondence with them, and the other uh, thread that I had created in the banner of Thai legal discussions was specific to Visa Express Bangkok and how they stole money from me. So two very separate subjects. And Thai Legal Protection had claimed that it was a duplicate thread, and that was his or her justification for deleting the or censoring my my post about rotten attorneys. I believe Thai Legal Protection is probably an attorney. So he had said that the posting under the banner of Thai Legal Protection was his or her section, and so I guess they took an issue with my post. Because he claimed that it was a duplicate, which it wasn't, clearly wasn't. And the idea here is to facilitate discussion of the event. So I'm showcasing the event and posting it to a news forum under the banner of Thai legal discussions to have a discussion about the event that I'm showcasing in these videos that I'm linking in the threads, in the posts. So it all seemed legitimate to me. It seemed like it was the right thing to do in the right place. So more evidence of inappropriate attorneys.